We will use a text for our Filmora motion tracking effect. First, let's start clean by importing our video to the timeline. Click the motion tracking button above the timeline. Move and resize the tracking rectangle so it contains the object you want to track its motion. Click on Start Tracking. Press OK. To add a text that will follow the object, go to Titles, and add it above your video track. Make sure the length of the text will be the length of the motion tracking effect you want to be visible. Set your own text, and other properties. Locate it where you want it to be relative to the moving object. Press OK and make sure the video track is selected. Select your text element from the drop-down menu. Let's play it. All done. Please subscribe.